If you shoot video with your smartphone, you'll definitely want to get a tripod mount for it. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one's the best for you? This is the KobraTech UniMount 360. And at $30, it's a solid option. But is it cheap gear worth buying? I've been using the KobraTech mount for about 2 weeks now, and despite the fact that the name reminds me of one of my favorite karate-based Netflix shows, it's actually pretty good. I got it because my older mount, like this one, the one that kind of pulls up like this, you've probably seen these. I mean, they're practically giving these away sometimes, but this one broke right where it screws into the quarter 20. That thing just came right out. The UniMount 360 is made of much harder plastic and feels much more durable. It also doesn't rely on springs to hold the phone in place. Instead, it uses this screw on top. And on the back, there's another screw where you can adjust it 360 degrees. Hence the name UniMount 360. I think that's a cool idea because if you're a TikTok, IG Reels, or YouTube Shorts creator, you can go from shooting horizontally to vertically in just a few seconds. A feature that I didn't really find out about on this though, and one that I think is probably the best feature, is the fact that on the bottom, there's another quarter 20 thread mount. That means that you can add attachments like a light or a microphone, like this Takstar SGC 600, which just happens to have the right size bolt to fit into this thread right here, but you will need a bolt to fit into the quarter 20, which you can buy pretty cheap. I'll leave a link in my description as well. Other mics will take a larger bolt, but you can easily get a converter for that. Or alternatively, you could get a cold shoe mount and attach it at this point right here. And that'll be a much more universal way to attach a microphone like this. Now, the reason this is important is because a lot of times you don't want to use the onboard microphones on your mobile phone. And this is a really easy way to get good audio on your video. Let me show you why. Right now, I've got the Takstar SGC 600 attached to the camera, and it should be fairly clean audio. Now I'm going to switch to the internal mics on the phone, and you should be able to hear a drastic difference. Now, this is one of the more expensive mounts out there, with other comparable cheaper mounts coming in at $5 to $15. So why should you buy this one when you could buy a Manfrotto for $10 less? First, let's address the cheaper options. Yes, they have similar features, but as I stated earlier, this one is made of a heavier duty plastic, so it'll probably last a lot longer. It'll definitely be more durable. And I've learned from experience that if you're going to trust an expensive piece of gear like your phone to stay in place, you need to be able to trust the thing that you're attaching it to. The Manfrotto is a solid option too. It has a cold shoe mount at the top, which means that you can attach accessories, but it doesn't swivel. So if you wanted to go from shooting vertical to horizontal, it would take a little bit longer. So if that amount of time and possibly frustration dealing with it, trying to go from vertical to horizontal, is something you're willing to sacrifice for $10, then by all means go with the Manfrotto. Nothing against Manfrotto here. I love the company. In fact, my main tripod is a Manfrotto. I just think that the KobraTech UniMount 360 is a superior product in this case. And even though it's one of the more expensive mobile mounts on the market, in my opinion, it is cheap gear worth buying. Okay, so quick update on pricing. On Amazon right now, they just dropped the price of the KobraTech to $19.99. So if you were wanting to buy this, then you should probably go to my link in the description and purchase it. I'm a little upset. I paid full price for it. I paid the whole $30, but right now it's $19.95. And I don't know if that's gonna be a permanent price or if it's just temporarily dropped, but head over to the link in the description and pick it up. See you in the next video.